Many people all over the world prefer to use handmade skincare products. These products are made with a carefully chosen active ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, and natural oils. Most of these products are chemical free, alcohol free, and even paraben free. So, if you are interested in starting your own business as skincare products maker, or even if you are a beginner and want to start preparing your workplace, you need this tools list. Today, in this video, I will give you the whole list you need to start your own business. At first, your clothes list. You should wear a long sleeves t-shirt, pants, closed shoes, and apron. Hair cover, surgical mask, and gloves, and protective goggles. Tools list. At first, you need a notebook and a pen, of course, to write down any notes or formulas. Digital scale starts from 0.1 to 5 or 10 kilograms. pH meter or pH papers. Measuring cups and measuring spoons. Different sizes of glass beakers, and of course they should be heat resistant. Beakers, spatulas and spoons, knives, scissors, vegetable peeler, flour sifter, funnel, piping tips, silicone molds, plastic jars and boxes, stickers to write the active ingredients names, expiry dates, stainless food pans, 1 or 2 deep frying pans, baking jars and bottles, of course to pack your products, labels, egg whisk, and electric egg beater, hand blender, slow cooker, microwave, tissues, towels, plastic wrap, shrink plastic wrap, heat gun, digital thermometer, glass lenses plates, plates and cups to put your ingredients before mixing, glass roots, and Nescafe hand blender, plastic pipettes, and finally cutting board. You should understand that this list is for you if you are going to make all different kinds of handmade skincare products like body butter, body lotion, bath bombs, serums, and soaps. And I will make tools list for every type of handmade skincare products. So if you will start your business in a specific type of products, you can find the tools list. If you need to print this tools list, you will find the list link in the pinned comment below the video. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I will leave the link below you in the description box. And if you have any comment, don't forget to leave a comment. With all my best wishes for you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.